In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to create a material outward receipt in Kloud. In order to create this, we will navigate to the Transactions tab, and then click Material Outward Receipt to begin entering details for your material outward receipt. Click the New button. The very first blank on the form asks to enter the location of your material. Click on the party and press F2 button. A pop-up will appear in which you must select the party. Now, select the type. In the drop-down list, you need to select issue type. In my case, I'm selecting against job work on which my issue type will be defined. Select the challan bill text field and select a value in the drop-down list. Here, enter the challan number and challan date. After that, click on the Select Issue Number button. A pop-up will appear in which you must select the issue number which has been created from Material Outward Issue. Next, enter the rate and click on the Batch Details button. In this lookup, batch quantity will appear. Once the batch name is entered, the updated batch quantity will automatically be added to the existing batch. At last, saving all the above mentioned details will lead us to successfully complete our Material Outward Receipt. Furthermore, if you wish to change the Material Outward Receipt, click the Revise button and you will be able to alter it as per your user rights. You can now find the Material Outward Receipt by clicking on the Find button, and all the details you just created will be visible. Record saved successfully.